Waiter! Waiter, please, I need a bottle of water. Yes, a bottle of water. What in the word was that? Waiter. Water. Imagine how your mouth was wide open while you were saying waiter. Oh, that was my mouth. Hello everyone, my name is Precious. I am a diction coach, a public speaking coach, a voice actor, and I help you learn the basics of English properly. When the letters ER comes at the end of words, it doesn't sound as you saw initially. The ER at the end of words have a short sound These are the commonly mispronounced words: writer, producer, lawyer, stronger, teacher, marker, trailer. And these are the correct pronunciation of these words: writer, writer, producer, producer, teacher, teacher, marker, marker, trailer, trailer, stronger, stronger, lawyer, lawyer. But there are exceptions when the letters ER at the end of words makes the triphthong sound IR, as in plier. But that's a different ballgame. Finally, it is socially unacceptable when you go to a pub, a eatery, a restaurant, or a cafeteria and you beckon on the waiter this way: waiter! 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 Or Haze! Haze! Some persons even go to the extent of doing this. Ew, that sounds really weird. That's the topic for my next video. Watch out for it, stay tuned, and see you in my next video.